Assalamu alaikum, thank you very much for tuning back in. Today we're in Heaton. You've just come out of the test centre, you've gone to the bottom of the road and you've turned right. At the traffic lights you've turned right. You're now approaching this roundabout and your sat-nav is telling you to take the third exit at the roundabout. If your driving examiner is speaking to you, you are then taking the third exit following the signs for the hospital. Now the hospital, my dear nephews and nieces, is the Bradford Royal Infirmary you'll be going towards. So that means you'll be keeping left, you'll go past the bottom end of Toller Lane, you'll go past Pakistani jewelers and you'll take the third exit, which is immediately after. All you need to do is keep the car on the left hand side of the road. You do not need to signal to come onto the roundabout and you do not need to signal to exit the roundabout. So as you follow the road ahead, you'll get to the junction, as in the roundabout. You need to watch out for both lanes. Anyone sliding across lanes, which is normal in Bradford, so they kind of drift across lanes, and they do that because they can't see very well when they're approaching Toller Lane from the opposite side. So as we approach the road ahead, a little bit of traffic. Time now is 2 p.m, it's a Friday. For those that are asking, it's the 20th February 2026. So it's a Friday and it's a busy time. So most of your traffic flow is going to be coming from Toller Lane and from Duckworth Lane. So we're on Lillycroft Road. We're following the road ahead. We're keeping a safe gap between us and the vehicle in front. I'm keeping about 1 car space between us two. So if you're driving a manual car, it'll help in having good clutch control. As you're approaching the roundabout, it's already told you at the roundabout you're taking the third exit, your sat-nav. And then once you go past this junction on the left hand side, your sat-nav again will tell you at the roundabout third exit right. It may say ahead, but usually they'll say right because it's a third exit. However, the third exit on this particular roundabout is ahead. It's at your 12 o'clock. So really you wouldn't need to signal. And if you were to signal, if you run it past yourselves and think about it, well, there's nowhere to signal to. You can't signal left, you can't signal right because you're going ahead. And by the time you signal to exit the roundabout, you've already come off the roundabout. So as we go past this junction, it's a crossroads, you need to keep this junction clear. So don't be an idiot and block it. You'll fail your driving test and you'll feel like a plum as well. So now that I know it's safe to carry on, I'm moving forward. I'm going to turn the wipers up a little more so you can kind of understand what's going on. Now you need to look for the signs for the hospital. Now the signboard above, we can see the sign next to the no entry sign. It shows you a red coloured picture. The red coloured is for a hospital. So we know it's where them green lights are. So we're looking to the right and we're looking at when it's safe to go. You've also got to watch out for this road on the right where Bradford estates are. And brothers and sisters jumping out their car at the roundabout. So we're going to let the young lady go, make sure nobody else is jumping out the car. And then we're going to position the car to the left. We're going to keep left and then you can see Zurich safe deposits. We're going to head towards there, but we're going to keep the car to the far left as close as we can to the keep clear sign. Now the only problem you've got here is you have to keep that clear. You've also got to make sure you're not blocking the roundabout. Now it's safe for me to come onto the roundabout, but I need to keep the keep clear. So I'm going to wait here and you can see the brother in the white van getting a little bit irate because the Audi has stopped inside the area. So I'm going to let him escape and I'm gently going to carry on, making sure that I don't create the same mistake. I'm going to go a little further forward. He's realised it, the car in front, and he's moved a bit further forward and so have I. So we've kept the keep clear. That was the first exit, this is the second. Now this is the third exit, and really it's pointless signalling The reason for that is because he's not waiting for you. That silver car isn't waiting for you to come onto the roundabout. You'll see that I've stopped at the crossing. The silver car is waiting for people coming round the roundabout or going up towards the newborn unit or doing a U-turn at the roundabout. So by signalling, it would have been counterintuitive. It wouldn't have made sense. And you'll then continue following the road ahead here, and there's a possibility of a couple of turns that you could be making here, possibly turning right at the traffic lights here, possibly going ahead and continuing ahead or turning left. Lots more routes to discuss, lots more things to discuss. We can do that hopefully, inshallah, in another one of our videos. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to follow us. Allah Hafiz, safe driving.